So this is my room. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, or hello if you're new. My name is Jeanette and I'm a licensed cosmetologist, certified makeup artist, and soon to be esthetician. I make beauty and lifestyle related videos and I'm very knowledgeable of the things I do talk about on this channel. So if that sounds like something that interests you, then be sure to subscribe and stick around to all my future videos. So with that being said, I am here today with a long-awaited room tour. I've been wanting to do a room tour since I started my channel back in November, but my room was honestly always a mess, and whenever I cleaned it, it just didn't stay clean because it was just always a big struggle of mine. But with quarantine happening, my room has been cleaned and it has stayed clean, and I'm just really shocked and really proud of myself for doing that. So I figured I wouldn't lose this opportunity to finally do a room tour for all you guys. So with that being said, let's just get on with the video. Walking in, this is my door here, and this is a little door stopper elephant that I just keep there so my door stays open in case my dog wants to come in and out. So yeah, so I'm gonna go to the right. Here I have my TV on my dresser. I just have little gum mints. I usually keep the deodorant back here. Some cards, pictures. These are a bunch of earrings. I don't even wear earrings ever, so this is probably going to be get rid of really soon. Here I have my fish tank. I have a betta fish and a snail in here. And there's their food up top. Here's my closet. Let me just show you a really quick sneak peek of the inside of my closet. If you guys want to see a closet tour, just comment down below and I can definitely do that for you guys. Coming more to the right, we have my bookshelves. I guess I can show you a quick overview of the bookshelves. Here I have Pop Funkos, bobbleheads. Here's my favorite shelf with all the Sarah J Maas books. Here's some series. Down here are hardcover and tall hardcover, some like young adult contemporary books. Down on the bottom I have some poetry books and some more hardcover books. I need to honestly get rid of a lot of these because a lot of them I haven't read and I know that I will never read. So if you guys want to see a bookshelf declutter, let me know and I'm going to do that. More to the right, there's my garbage, there's my tripod, and here I have thumbtacks on the wall with all of my necklaces. There used to be some there too, but then I put up my bookshelves and I had to take them down, so these are all my necklaces kind of condensed. Here's me again. Well, you never saw me, but here's me in this mirror that I have. And the bookshelves are from IKEA. Moving more to the right, here is a windowsill full of elephant stuff. If you guys can't tell, I love elephants. Here I have a little container with a bunch of change, so whenever it gets full I bring it and I cash it in. And here's my vanity. You step back so you can like see all of it. This is the side with all my makeup, and this is the side with my stuff for nails, like the powder gel, nail files, combs, brushes, my sectioning clips, my buzzer, bowls for hair color, lightener bottles, regular color, all stuff hair is in this side of it. Here's my vanity chair from IKEA, and this is for the vanities from IKEA too, and I just have this random red blanket on my chair there. I don't know, I just feel like it looks nice. And so here on top I have makeup, lipsticks, a container of chapstick, all my brushes. Moving on to this side, I have hair stuff, a lot of it. On that windowsill, I have like a mirror there, a wood cleaner, which has been up here for so long I have to bring it back downstairs, but I just like forget all the time. It's a mess up here. I've got hand sanitizer, candy, this thing of necklaces and bracelets that used to be on my dresser, but there's just no room for it now. Here I have my scent chips thing. This is what I use instead of candles, and I love it. The only reason I'd ever buy a candle again is so I can use the container for storage or for my makeup brushes. And here's where I keep all the chips for everything. Here we have my bed. On top of my bed I have some of my favorite books, paintings I painted many years ago, which are like disgusting, and let's just like not look. So here's my bed, and on my bed I just have my Xbox controller and my Nintendo Switch because I just thought it looked nice. More elephant stuffed animals, elephant pillows. My sheets are from Amazon, I'm pretty sure. And this really soft fluffy blanket is from TJ Maxx. This huge heated blanket I'm pretty sure is from Target. And I'm pretty sure this blanket is from HomeGoods. Here's my hamper and another pillow. And here I have my nail polishes. I recently, a few months ago, decluttered all of my nail polish, so if you want to see that video, I'll put something in the eye up above. Here, more elephants, the back of my door, a little coat hanger thing with my bags and hats, and I also have this thing on the back of my door with other bags and hats that I use. And that brings us back to my dresser. So everyone, that was my room. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope maybe this video gave you guys some inspiration on how to decorate, what to do with your room. And I hope everyone is staying safe and healthy during this crazy time that we're going through right now. But if you did enjoy this video and you would like to see some more videos by me, feel free to watch some of my other videos and subscribe to my channel to see more videos from me. I plan to be uploading every Sunday and Thursday, so you might want to stick around for those. Like this video if you liked it. Comment down below what time it is that you're watching this, if you're still watching this right now. And I hope to see you all very soon in another video of mine. Bye!